Okay, so I've just found a needle with a fairly big eye and threaded that on. So I'll just thread it through. And the other one. Just chop that end off. Put that through. Okay, and I'm going to tie mine into some nice, I might take this off first because I want the pages to be able to open fairly freely, so I don't want to tie it too tight. I want them to be able to lay flat. So I'll just open a couple of pages, just make sure my ends are even. Just open a couple, then turn it over, and then tie my bow. So I'm not going to pull it too tight. And hanging down, and then make sure that's, yes, it's still nice and loose. Tie the other side. Just tie this one this way too, because that way when it's open, your bows are facing the right way, if you know what I mean. There we go. Okay, so tied fairly loosely. And you can probably cut them off actually, those ones are probably a bit big. But I'll just leave them like that for now. Yeah, they're probably a little bit tight, but if you use, maybe I should have used the smaller ribbon. I may do, but I might just leave it like this for now. Yep, they're still opening fine. So now we're going to decide how to embellish this. But we're going to add all our little bits of ephemera. So some of them can go in the pockets. I'm going to put this little card in this pocket here. Fits nicely. And you can always cut a little tab in your pocket here from using half your circle punch if you want to. I might just cut out some little roughly in the center, a little triangle like this for my pockets, and then I just need to ink that up. And put my little postcard in there. Okay. Little tickets, maybe the little card. Let's see, is that a pocket? No, it's not a pocket. I'm going to put this little card probably just this little card. I'm going to pin this to here. This little paper clip. This pocket, I'm going to put this little bit of, it's just torn old paper in this pocket for a journaling card. I'm going to cut my little roughly the center. You can measure if you want to. I'm not always one for measuring. Oops. Get there. So we'll put this one in. And I'm going to put one of these pink ones in there too. Or is that a bit too long? Yeah, that's a bit too long. That one can go that way around. Oops. That back in there. Actually, we'll put them both this way around. Then I'm going to use a couple of little tickets here. These are the old price tags. I might just layer them up like this with just like that. This page also has a pocket. Let's put another postcard in there. And this is a little piece of ledger paper. You could also use these to make little pockets and tuck spots if you want to, and use them for that. Another paper clip here. Actually, that's a pocket page, isn't it? We'll do them to the next page. Where was the pocket page? This one. Oh, I see. I've put two pocket pages together. That's okay. So we'll put something in this one. I'm going to see if this little envelope is going to fit. So just fold it up. Fold up. Fold all the sides and the bottom up. That should fit in there, yes. So we'll just ink up our sides. Glue this together. Just down this side. And then on the bottom. Sometimes this tape doesn't want to go. Okay. That's the envelope. So I'm going to put the little things inside there. This other little one. Little postcard. Might put a couple of little tickets in there. I'm just going to fold them in half. Once. Like that. And how many pages have we got? Yeah, so that one is going to go in here. But you can obviously arrange them however you like to. And the back page I'm leaving for this bigger one here. I'll go in there. Then I'm going to I want to pin these to another page, which will be this one. Oops, I didn't cut that one out very well. So every little piece of paper on here you can write on. You can just use it to decorate. You can write on the back of all of them. You know, a little note. Anything you want to do. And the other thing about binding it this way is that you can add more pages. So before you tie your binding on, put in more pages and punch them. Like you could be tea dye or coffee dyed paper, it could be coloured paper, any paper at all you can add to this if you wanted a lot more writing space, which yeah, I didn't do in this one, but you can absolutely do that to make it a larger journal. And I'm just going to take this ribbon out because I actually think it is a little bit big. I might try it. I might try it with a bit of twine actually and see how that looks. Or the thinner ribbon. No, I like the ribbon, so I'm just going to use the thinner ribbon here. We'll measure it about 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. Same again. Grab my needle. I'll just do this quickly just so that you can decide whether you want to use a thicker ribbon or thread or whether you'd like to use something thinner. We'll see what works best. Put this one through. This one. Got a little bit out of alignment there. Okay, so once again I'm going to open just even up the ends. I'm going to open my little book until it's flat. So that's nice and flat and nice and loose. I'm going to tie it a bit looser this time. Try tying it a bit looser. Okay. This one. A bit looser too. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, that's definitely a lot better with a smaller thread in there. So anyway, that is basically it. How to put together this little mini journal. And I didn't use all of the little bits of ephemera, but there's a couple of buttons there and a little butterfly, a little postcard, which I'll probably just pop into one of the pockets there. So I hope that you enjoyed this craft with me lesson in putting together the mini book, and I will put the links below. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.